Alright, what is up, guys? I am going to go over the trades today. I finished up my regular trading up $60 or $61.50, something like that. And then I took a trade on TVIX, which I'm currently down like $70 or $80. But we'll go over all that right now. So my first trade today was on DARE, or DARE. It was gapping up pretty nice, and we thought it would hold above $1, better than it did, but it did not. So I jumped in with 3,000 shares at 104 right here, and it went up. I was hoping for a little more, but it came down pretty quick and then flushed down, and I got out at a dollar break even, or not break even, $120 loss. 4 cents, $120. So it didn't work out. I was uninterested under a dollar, so didn't go back and try to trade it again. Next stock on the list is CLVS. It had a little gap up as well. Not much of a gap up, but it did well Friday. So it gapped up Thursday and then went straight across and then ran up Friday, and it kind of consolidated, but it had a little gap up. So I got in 500 shares. Let me change this back to a 1 minute time frame. Let's see, I got in 500 shares at 628. Pretty high up. And then I sold at 613.41. Basically right under the VWAP. So right at the bottom of that candle. If I'd have waited just 2 more minutes, it would have come back and I could have been break even. But down $75 on that trade, so it did not work out either. TRNX is next. And I traded this one several times, and I only finished up 60 bucks. And this is the best stock of the day. I mean, it's up 55%, so I'm kind of not happy about my trades on it. Let's see, I took my first trade just before 10 o'clock, so let me just zoom in that area. Be a lot easier for you guys to see. So I quit trading. I always quit trading at 10:30. So, and at 10:32, it decides to pop up and run. But my first trade is it at 9:56? It is 9:56. So at 9:56, I bought 2,000 shares at 228, and I sold 500 at 243, and the rest at 236. So my first trade on it was a winner. And then I got back in as it dropped down here to 231 with 2,000 shares. Sold 500 at 234 and 1,500 at 229, if I'm correct, 228. So that was a loser. Then I got back in a minute later, which was so stupid. Oh, let's see, where am I at on this one? So sold at 07, yep, with 1,500 shares at 227. Sold those at 223, so I'm down even further. Then I get back in at 235, back out at 226, down even further. So at this point I'm just angry. So I bought 3,000 shares on the last trade at 232 right here. Sold 1,500 at 235. Then I sold 500 at 239, another 500 at 237, and then the rest at 234. So with that last trade, put me up $60 on the day on that ticker. Let's see, what is next? CNST. So I made 2 trades on this one. It's a little higher priced, and we were hoping for more. Didn't quite get it, but it's fine because, I mean, what we did get worked out. So I'm just making sure y'all can see the chart and everything. So I got in with 200 shares at 32.30, and it kind of dropped down here. It scared me, spooked me, so I just went ahead and market ordered out. Got filled at 31.87. First trade was a loser. It was like 70 bucks, I think, maybe less. I honestly don't remember. But I got back in at $32, 32.02 with 200 shares again. And that was somewhere down here. And then I was waiting. It started going up. I was in the green, so it was good. I sold half. Let's see. Sold half at 33.07. Then I sold 50 shares at 33.57 or 53. Then I sold the last 50 shares at 34.06, which put me in the green, $196. So that was a good trade there. And that trade put me up $60 on the day. And then I decided to trade TVIX, but I'm going to hold this one even in a losing position, which is fine. I'm fine with at the moment. So, as y'all may remember, I've traded TVIX a bunch in the past. It is an inverse ETF to the SPY, which the SPY has been doing very well lately. It's been doing very well over the past like 2 weeks. So it's hitting new highs every other day. Let's put it on a 5-minute chart. We'll put TVIX on a 5-minute chart as well. Be easier. So, well, actually I want to show you the daily on TVIX. So originally, the low was at 8.15 something on this day here, and today it made made a new low at 7.97. So I was trying to get in. I was hoping to get in close to 8.15. I didn't think it was going to go all the way down to below $8. So I picked up 800 shares on, well, this is today, at 8.18, and then it fell below, kept going, put in an order for 200 more shares at 8.05, got filled, all the way down to 7.97, which put me like down $198, which is my max loss period. But like I said, the SPY has a tendency to run strong and then drop hard in the afternoons. So we'll see. I'm gonna hold for a little bit because I'm pretty low. I've got a good filled position at a low spot, so I feel good about that. So we're just gonna wait it out, see what happens. Maybe Trump will tweet something stupid and SPY will crash, and I'll make a whole bunch of money. Which is silly to say, but because it's fake money anyways. So anyways, that's the trading for the day. I'll drop this so you can see right here. I'm currently down $100 on the day, and that's with the TVX trade. So it'll bounce back and forth as this goes up and down. So, oh no, I'm down $42 on the day. You can't even see it. Let me. $42 on the day, so that's not even bad at all. So I'm down 104 on TVIX, as you can see there and there, on that one trade. But total for the day, I'm only down 37. Let me drag this over more. You can see overall total profits so far. I'm still up $1,250. This trade here will determine, obviously, where this ends up, either today or tomorrow, whenever I close the account, or close the trade. Anyways, so I do have a webcam now. You can see my face. I don't know, it's weird, but maybe it'll be fun. I'll pull everything back. Alright, well, anyways, that was my trading for the day. Hopefully we do a little better tomorrow. Today was kind of not great, and mainly because, oh man, I already forgot the ticker. TRNX, it just could not get a good trade on it. I overtraded it. I was not very happy with the trade. Ooh, and it has fallen. Oh, well, no. I was about to say, it hasn't quite got to the 200 moving average, but oh well. move that so you can see the daily chart. You know, we thought it would get up to $3, which is the 200 moving average, but it has not, so oh well. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll be back at it tomorrow.